Hello friends, in previous lecture we have seen omitted measurements, then various cases of omitted measurements and one numerical on omitted measurements we have solved. In this lecture we will solve another numerical on omitted measurements. So the numerical is like this. The following records are obtained in a traverse survey where the length and bearing of last line were not recorded. Calculate the length and bearing of line DA. So the readings are given. Line AB, BC, CD and DA is a closed traverse. So for AB, BC, CD the length they have given. Also the whole circle bearing for AB, BC, CD they have given. And length and bearing for line DA is missing. So this missing data we have to find out in this numerical. So first of all, let L is equal to length of line DA and theta is equal to reduced bearing of line DA. So first we will convert whole circle bearing to quadrantal form. So line AB, WCB for line AB is 30 degree 24 minutes. So its quadrantal bearing and whole circle bearing are same. It is 30 degree 24 minutes and the quadrants are NE, first quadrant. Then for line BC, the WCB is 110 degree 36 minutes. Therefore, reduced bearing of line BC is equal to 180 degree minus whole circle bearing of BC. That is 180 degree minus 110 degree 36 minutes. So RB is equal to 69 degree 24 minutes and the quadrants are SE, second quadrant. Then WCB of line CD is equal to 210 degree 30 minutes. Therefore RB of line BC is equal to 210 degree 30 minutes minus 180 degree. That is whole circle bearing minus 180 degree is equal to 30 degree 30 minutes and the quadrants are SE, third quadrant. Next one, we know the formula for latitude is equal to length of that line into cos of reduced bearing, that is L into cos of theta, where and departure is equal to L into sin of theta, where L is the length of that line and theta with the reduced bearing of the line. So first of all we will calculate latitudes of various lines. So latitude of AB is equal to L cos of theta. Length is given for line AB 75.50 into cos of 30 degree 24 minutes and the answer is 65.12. It is plus because latitude is measured towards north. Then departure of AB is equal to L sin of theta is equal to 75.50 into sin of 30 degree 24 minutes and the answer is 38.21. It is also positive because departure is measured towards east. Then latitude of line BC is equal to length is 180.50 into cos of 69 degree 24 minutes and the answer is minus 63.51. The latitude is negative because it is measured towards south. Then departure of BC is equal to 180.50 into sin of 69 degree 24 minutes is equal to plus 168.95. The departure is plus because it is measured towards east. And last line CD, latitude is equal to 60.25 into cos of 30 degree 30 minutes and the answer is minus 51.91. It is negative because it is measured towards south. Departure of line CD is equal to 60.25 sin of 30 degree 30 minutes and the answer is 30.69. And finally latitude of DA is equal to L cos of theta and departure of DA is equal to L sin of theta. So we have calculated latitude and departures for all the lines. Then next one, these calculated latitudes and departures are tabulated. Line AB length they have given whole circle bearing they have given, we have calculated the reduced bearing, and then latitude we have calculated as plus 65.12. Similarly, departure plus 38.21. Similarly, for line BC, the latitude is minus 63.51 and departure is 168.95. Similarly, for line CD, it is minus 51.91 and departure is minus 30.60. And for line DA, it is L cos of theta and L sin of theta, respectively latitude and departures. Then next one, as we know, for a closed traverse, the algebraic sum of latitude and algebraic sum of departure should be equal to 0. That is, summation of L is equal to 0 and summation of D is equal to 0. So therefore, latitude of line AB plus latitude of BC plus latitude of CD plus latitude of DA is equal to 0. Also, substituting the values, 65.12 minus latitude of BC is negative, so minus 63.51. Latitude of CD is again negative, minus 51.91 and plus L cos theta and is equal to 0. Similarly, we will get L cos of theta is equal to 50.30. Also, summation of departures is equal to 0. Therefore, departure of AB plus departure of BC plus departure of CD plus departure of DA is equal to 0. Substituting the values, 38.21 plus 168.95 minus departure of CD is negative, minus 30.60 and plus departure of line DA L sin of theta is equal to 0, and hence L sin theta is equal to, it is minus 176.56. Now here latitude of line DA is positive and the departure is negative, means line will fall in fourth quadrant, that is NW quadrant. Next one, we know latitude upon departure is equal to tan of theta. So therefore, tan of theta is equal to latitude, that is L sin theta, divided by departure L cos of theta is equal to 176.50 divided by 50.30. Here there is not necessity of considering the sign, just without sign you consider the value, and hence the value of tan theta is coming 3.5101 and tan inverse of theta is equal to, theta is coming to be 74 degrees and 5 minutes, and therefore bearing of line DA is equal to, it falls in fourth quadrant, therefore N 74 degrees 5 minutes W, and the distance of line DA is calculated, DA is equal to under root of latitude square plus departure square, and hence substituting the value, DA, distance DA is equal to under root of latitude is 50.30 bracket square plus minus 176.56 bracket square. Here also not necessity of considering the sign, just substitute the value, and after calculation we will get distance DA or length of line DA is equal to 183.58. So thus whatever the missing data of line DA we have calculated, that is bearing is missing and length is missing, so that data we have calculated. So thank you.